Hi, middle schoolers. I'm going to show you how you can find out what your assignments are for the day and for the week. It's very simple, and there are two ways to do it. One of the ways you can print up and have it on your bulletin board so you can consult it and manage your time properly. So what you're going to do first is log into your Edgenuity account, and then you'll see all your courses on your dashboard here. You can click on any one of these. It's going to work for either one. But you do have to do it for each course, so it won't put your assignments for all your courses in one report. So I'm going to start with math just for fun. Okay, so the first thing you're going to notice is some dates here on the left-hand side. These are the assignments that are due today. So you should do on August 24th the warm-up, instruction, and summary. And then tomorrow you will do your assignment and quiz. Okay, it is not negotiable. These are the things that are due today. If you want to go ahead, you may, but you do need to finish anything that has today's date on it. All right, so that's one way of doing it, and it will take you all the way down. All right, so that's one way of doing it. Now, if you want to print this up, you can go to Course Report, and there you see all the courses for this semester. And you can see it's from the start date, which is today, and the end date is the 15th of January. So that's that semester. These are all the assignments that you are expected to complete between now and then. So if you take a look, here are the due dates. And you can print this up anytime, and you can actually see what your score is once you complete your assignments. All right, so this should be very simple. I hope this helps you, and I look forward to seeing you soon.